Hello, I'm John Fisher. Let me share my strengths. Each one of us have unique talents that shape our approach to life. My first strength is harmony, where I actively seek consensus, avoiding conflict and striving for areas of agreement. My efforts to foster unity and collaboration provide contrast in a world often marked by discord. In the realm of empathy, I try to connect with others in a profound emotional level. By imagining myself in the lives of or situations of those around me, I try to sense and understand the feelings of others. Empathy fosters compassion and deeper connections in a society that often yearns for understanding. The input theme suggests I have an exceptional need to collect and archive, whether it's information, ideas, artifacts, or relationships. I find joy in accumulating a wealth of knowledge. My passion for gathering diverse perspectives and preserving wisdom makes me a good researcher. As a collector, I hope to leave something that will benefit future generations. The consistency theme brings a sense of order and stability to a world that often grapples with chaos. My keen awareness of the need to treat people equally fuels my craving for stable routines, clear rules, and procedures. I try to achieve balance, ensuring a fair and structured environment for all. Lastly, the intellection theme is characterized by intellectual activity. With a penchant for introspection and a deep appreciation for intellectual discussions, I attempt to contribute to the richness of human thought. As a thinker, I try to bring depth to conversations and explorations of ideas. My strengths, harmony, empathy, input, consistency, and intellection, weave together, creating a symphony that celebrates unity, understanding, knowledge, stability, and intellectual exploration. Embracing these unique strengths, I attempt to contribute to a harmonious and enriched human experience.